Does your child trip over air or fall while standing still? Yeah, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you 3 super simple exercises that you could try at home with your child to help them with balance, coordination, and body control. No pressure, no equipment, no judgment. Let's get into it. Some kids are just figuring things out, but if your child seems way more uncoordinated than their peers, these exercises might help. Exercise 1, the tape line walk. Think balance beam, but low budget, like masking tape on the floor. That's it. Have your child walk heel to toe, nice and slow. One foot directly in front of the other. And bonus points if they don't crash into the coffee table. Want to make it harder? Have them balance a stuffed animal on their head while standing. Or you could use anything. This works on balance, core strength, and focus. And it's weirdly fun. Exercise 2, the bear walk. If you've never seen a 5-year-old try to move like a bear, you're in for a treat. Hands and feet on the ground, hips in the air. You want them to crawl like a bear, not like a sad crab. This builds shoulder stability, core strength, and coordination. A personal tip, you can have them growl as they walk. It makes it feel like a game and not an exercise. Alright, the last one is sneaky. It looks like play, but it's secretly training your child's body to work together. Exercise 3, the animal rescue tunnel. Yes, this is a completely made up name, but it works. Build a tunnel of blankets, chairs, wherever you got. Then, hide something inside. A toy, a flashlight, a dinosaur named Kevin, it doesn't matter. My personal tip, ask them to crawl safely and slowly without bumping into the walls to rescue the animal. This will help build body awareness and motor planning. The deep truth is, most kids don't struggle because they're lazy or uncoordinated. They struggle because nobody taught their body how to move and make it make sense. But these exercises, they teach their body how to move better one game at a time. This is the simple routine I recommend to try at least once a day. It's 1 minute walking the tape line that we already made, 1 minute bear walking, and then 2 more minutes just crawling through a tunnel. And that's it. 4 minutes, and no gym memberships were harmed in the making of this routine. If your child is clumsy, awkward, or just needs a little help moving better, this is a great place to start. And worst comes to worst, the bear walks will be excellent entertainment. I've got plenty more of these videos coming, so if this one helped, stick around, like and subscribe, and support.